Hey everyone, my name's Tash and I have a business called Heart and Design, and I love to spread the joy of creativity for our wellness and our well-being. These are some of the kits that I've already produced. There will be more to come, and this one here is the dog kit. As I'm showing you, there's adult colouring, learn to draw grid method, and daily wellness journal pages, plus this time there was a bonus doodle page, which you'll see in a minute I've already had a go at, which is great fun. You can just do one a day or two a day or do the whole page at once. It's up to you. I'm just going to show you some of the colouring sheets we're going to go that are in the kit, and then we're going to come back to that colouring page and we're going to do that. This will be a full-length video, so you'll see me colouring in real time. I will leave the video silent for you, so if you want to put some music on you can, and then you'll just hear my voice if I do come back on or not. But then at least you have the choice and you're not stuck with whatever music I've got. Please do check out the links. Their kits are linked. You can buy them online to download or as printed kits if you're in the UK. I'm using Ahuhu markers. I will soon have a link for any Amazon products that I can recommend. I haven't quite finished setting up my influencer storefront yet, but I will have a go at finishing that hopefully this week or next week. I'm just showing you to make sure you put a piece of card behind at this point because you don't want to be getting it all over your other sheets. As you can see, I've put my kits in a clip file, and I do also put them in dividers. Each kit does have dividers because I have, say, on the first day, I'll do one of the wellness diary pages. And then I'll come back and I'll do some colouring. So I'll just put things in order as I do them. I don't leave them in the order that the kit comes, so that you can sort of say, oh, well, on that day, that was my wellness diary day. And on that day, I did these creative activities. So I'm going to leave you now. I'm going to leave it be silent for a bit so you can just watch, pop your own music on, and I'll come back on if I feel the need to. Okay, have a good day, everybody. Just to say here, I am using flat colour method, so I'm not really worrying about any 3D-ness in this. I'm just keeping it as a nice flat doodle illustration. I'm not worrying about having light, dark and mid shades, which you'll find on some of mine I will. And sometimes I also try and put the look of fur in and things like that. But this is just a really cute little doodle. So I've kept it as just flat colour, and I'm just choosing like different browns just to give it a bit of difference. And in a minute you'll see I use red for the collar. Couldn't think of the words for collar. Anyway, I'm going to go. There's not too much more to watch. It's only a few minutes long. Enjoy.